Welcome to our channel where we solve your US bank online payment errors step by step, so you never miss a payment. Welcome to our channel. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to make an online payment through US bank and suddenly encounter an error that stops everything in its tracks. Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through a reliable step-by-step guide on how to fix these online payment errors efficiently. First step, check your internet connection. Many payment errors stem from unstable or weak internet connections. Make sure your connection is stable and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the error persists. Second step, clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes outdated cache and cookies can interfere with the payment process. Clear your browser cache and cookies. This is usually found in your browser settings under privacy or history. And then restart your browser. Third step, update your browser or app. Using an outdated browser or app version can cause compatibility errors. Make sure your browser or US Bank app is updated to the latest version available. Fourth step, verify payment details. Double-check your payment information, including card number, expiration date, billing address, and security codes. Mistakes in any details can cause payments to be rejected. Fifth step, check US Bank service status. At times, servers may be down or undergoing maintenance. Visit the US Bank website or their official social media channels to see if any outages are reported. This can save you time troubleshooting an issue that lies on the bank's side. Sixth step, use a different device or browser. If the issue persists after following previous steps, try using another device or a different web browser. This helps identify if the problem is device-specific. Seventh step, contact US Bank customer support. If none of these fixes work, it's time to get help directly from US Bank's customer support. They can provide specific insights related to your account or transaction and help resolve errors swiftly. Eighth step, confirm transaction. Limit some payment errors. Due to exceeding set transaction or daily payment limits, check your account's payment caps and adjust your payment amounts accordingly. Ninth step, review your account security settings. Sometimes security settings or alerts can prevent payments from going through. Log into your account and review any notifications or security alerts that might block transactions. 10th step, try again. After restarting your device, can clear temporary glitches that affect app or browser performance. This simple step often fixes unseen problems. These steps collectively should cover most common causes of US Bank online payment errors. Following them carefully will get you back on track promptly. Don't let payment errors hold you back from managing your finances smoothly.